afternoon, welcome to my vlog. I'm getting ready for going out. I have CG meeting today. My training is not yet started. That's why I can attend our CG meeting. I can still attend. I can still volunteer in church. I'm getting ready because our meeting is 3:30. I'm gonna wait for the bus. I'll try to use this shoes maybe, because if the shoes not used for too long, it will damage. Happy weekend everyone. Enjoy your weekend. See you later. I'll see you tomorrow. I will dress today because when I start my training, I need to wear pants for my training. And I try to, after training, I try to go direct to the church to attend church service and try to serve as a volunteer also. Because the church is very important for me. That's my top priority. I can have church every week, only once a week. Once a week is my church day. Oh, why my hair is like this? Not This ponytail is so expensive. 20 dirham, only one piece. Wait, I need to remove my glasses because when I have glasses, my hair cannot